The 1997 Haas VF-4. It's December 2018. This machine's 7,500 RPM. Gearbox. 32 tool. Umbrella ATC, so it's the larger tool changer. You can see inside it's all clean. This machine is low hours. Has P-cool, chip auger, gearbox, and again 32 tool ATC. So when the spindle's running 2600 right now, you can hear it's quiet. I'll go ahead, it's not fully warmed up, I'll take it to 5,000. There's 5,000. You can hear that's quiet also. I'm going to stop it. Handle jog. I'm going to move the axes now. Here goes X. You can hear that's quiet. There's still some chips in here, but other than that, you can see what's happening. There's the Y. And the Z. Make a tool change. Make another one. Again, 1997 Haas VF-4.